Michael Les. Good morning. The morning grind already. Just trying to drive to work. Weather kind of choppy in New York. Got a little snow flurries, man. Yo, you know what I hate? I hate when the salt truck be on these highways. You're gonna see it coming up, but like this shit be like trying to beat up your car with fucking salt. This shit is crazy. Trying to run around these shits. Yeah, I saw this shit like being like what the just get around that motherfucker. I saw it just be like beating your car up and shit. But yeah, I'm outside with the scat. I don't know, they said it's supposed to stop snowing like 8 o'clock, so I usually don't take this car out in the snow like this because of the fact that, you know, the car is knowing all this salt build up. But they said it's supposed to stop like 8 o'clock, so I don't know. I'm out here trying to drive through it. It's around like 5:26 right now. I'm supposed to have been to work at 5, but I've been doing these early mornings every day, so it's kind of hard getting up for 5. Now I'm driving through some choppy weather, so, you know. But blessed to be up, blessed to make it to another day, to get on the grind. Y'all already know what it is, you know what I mean? While some of y'all sleeping, I'm out here trying to hustle to work. I just wanted to do this video so y'all can see my travel, you know. It's crazy. Be like this, dark, and sometimes the weather be good, sometimes the weather be bad. Today's one of the bad days, so it is what it is. You know, I'm always gonna do what I gotta do and keep myself motivated. You know it's like my early morning motivation's a cup of coffee. You know what I mean? A nice cup of coffee does it. Start the morning all right. Get a little woody fucking narrow exit. So we going to Long Island. I know a lot of people may be spun out and fucking crashed and shit. Cause a lot of people got them fucked up tires. Look already. Look at all this fucking police already. What the fuck happened here? God damn it. Somebody may be spun out. Yeah, somebody did spin out. And that's all what's gonna be happening today, man. People gonna be spinning out and crashing. And so this is the 495. If anybody ever heard of the 495 going into Long Island, that's what I'm on. This is like the highway where all the tractor trailers be on. It'd be crazy on this highway. Super crazy. But play the same, do what I conversation. This is my, I do this every morning. Every morning around the same time. Stay positive, stay blessed, keep your head up. Try to have a good start today. Today's Wednesday, February 1st, 2023. Real. Stay motivated. If you don't feel motivated today, look at my videos. Watch me. I'm human. I try to stay motivated. I try to stay consistent. Real. Once you get up every morning, yo, you blessed. Oh man, here come them sore. Ooh man, sore trucks be like hating. Yeah, as I said, you blessed. So just keep it going. Support me. And if you got something going on, you got a channel or whatever you're doing, and you choose to share it, something positive, I'll support you. Because that's what it is. We gotta support each other. We gotta all help each other grow as individuals. So at the end of the day, like, comment, positive comments, subscribe to my channel, Life of Mike LS. Catch you on the next one.